Hello everyone. I'm calling this the death of an L engine, Briggs & Stratton L engine. It's made in 1998. It comes off a McClane edger you see right there. We're going to do a video on that. That has a nice new engine sitting there. Okay. This unit eventually failed to start. It was not generating a spark. I used this, and I recommend it actually. This is an Echo, but it's a PET 4000, and I used it to check for a spark, and it was not generating spark. Unfortunately, this coil failed, and here's the old coil. I ordered a replacement for the coil. I'm going to turn that over. This is a replacement, and it does not have something that's important. On the rear side, there's this rivet looking thing that holds the fan assembly. This is a governor, and I have no way of holding it that I deem going to be secure in the long term. I opened up an older unit. You can see how this one is different from the newer replacement part and the old one. The old one, this is 1998. You can see a couple things that are interesting. First of all, you have some wires that are all smashed. The kill portion that's there, plus a pickup. It has a pickup that's separated, where the newer ones or later models are all embedded in the plastic. So as progress goes, I have no way of putting this together the way I want, which is why you will be seeing a video on the Harbor Freight 3 horsepower horizontal motor. Let me go over and show you what the box looks like. Here is the box that it came in. It came with a plate, which you'll see here later as I show you how to assemble it, with instructions and a plate, 4 bolts, and a spark plug removing device. That's the remnants of an engine that I'm going to get rid of. I need to make space, and I pulled the coil off of that one, but it wasn't the right type. Okay, I hope you enjoy the video, and now I'm going to put up my spark tester. Thank you for watching.